Here are 5 news stories from the world of the crypto industry. First, news. For cryptocurrencies with high growth potential in June. June promises to be an interesting period for participants in the cryptocurrency market. In 2024, some coins have already shown impressive results. Cybro is a new platform designed to help users earn more on the Blast blockchain. Blast is known for offering higher returns from staking Ethereum and stablecoins than other similar solutions. The main function of Cybro is to help users take full advantage of this opportunity. Currently, Cybro is conducting a pre-sale of its tokens, offering them at a low price of $0.025 per coin, which is 58% below the expected post-listing price. Thus, the potential return on investment is 140%. There is speculation that a crypto whale showing significant interest in the project may buy a large number of Cybro tokens. Only 21% of the total number of tokens was allocated for the pre-sale, and about 25 million have already been sold. Near Protocol is currently trading in the range of $7.32 to $8.34. Over the past month, the coin has increased by 17%, and over the past 6 months, it has grown by 262%. With the nearest resistance at $8.86 and support at $6.83, Near shows signs of impulsive growth. The RSI indicator is at 37.34, and the MACD value is -0.06, indicating potential upward movement. The value of Near could reach $9.50 under favorable market conditions. The current price of Render token, RNDR, fluctuates in the range of $9.21 to $11.32. The nearest resistance is at $12.65, and support is at $8.43. The 10-day moving average is $10.03, and the 100-day moving average is $10.18. The RSI indicator is at 39.20, the MACD value is -0.06, and the stochastic is around 24. Over the week, the price has decreased by 2%, while over the month it has increased by 36%. In the last 6 months, the coin has significantly increased in value by 175%. Currently, RNDR is in a corrective movement. Arbitrum, ARB, is in the price range of $1.01 to $1.32. The coin shows a 6% decrease over the week, but a 10% increase over the month and 1.47% over 6 months. The RSI is at 42.80, and the stochastic indicator is at 29.61, indicating possible upward price movement. The current trend resembles a correction but has the potential for impulsive growth if the nearest resistance at $1.44 is overcome. In the coming week, Mantle, MNT, may experience fluctuations within the current price range of 94 cents to $1.09. Over the week, the coin has decreased by 1.27%, while over the month there was a slight increase of 3.6%. The price may remain in a corrective phase with possible growth towards the nearest resistance at $1.17 or a decline towards the nearest support at 86 cents. Second, news. FTX to earn $800 million from sale of stake in AI startup Anthropic. The infamous cryptocurrency exchange FTX plans to sell its remaining stake in the AI startup Anthropic for $452.2 million. FTX representatives disclosed that G Squared, a global venture fund, purchased about a third of the 4.5 million shares for $135 million. More than 20 other venture funds, including Gemini Ventures, Fund FG Blue, and Fund SCVCPVLXVI, also participated in the purchase. Proceeds from the sale of Anthropic shares, pending approval from Judge John Dorsey, could amount to about $1.3 billion, bringing the company around $800 million in profit. In 2021, FTX invested $500 million in Anthropic, acquiring a 7.8% stake. This deal is crucial for the bankrupt exchange as it seeks to repay its creditors. However, some stakeholders argue that the shares should be distributed among FTX clients whose deposits financed the purchase. The rising legal costs of FTX have also drawn sharp criticism from creditors. Recent court documents show that the exchange has incurred $700 million in legal and administrative expenses. Consulting firm Alvarez & Marsal billed $212 million, while legal advisor Sullivan and Cromwell requested $202 million. Additionally, new FTX CEO John Ray III received $5.6 million at an hourly rate of $1,300. FTX advisors billed $700 million. John Ray spent $5.6 million making all business decisions, such as rejecting the relaunch of FTX despite numerous offers and selling assets at a 90% discount. Plan administrators need to make changes, wrote FTX creditor Sunil Kaveri. FTX's efforts to sell its stake in Anthropic and manage growing legal expenses remain under close scrutiny as the company undergoes complex bankruptcy proceedings. The results of these sales and Judge John Dorsey's decisions will be crucial for FTX's future and the prospects of creditor repayments. Third news. 3 lesser-known altcoins that could surprise investors in June. In recent weeks, Bitcoin and many popular altcoins have shown impressive growth. However, some lesser-known coins have also formed bullish patterns that could potentially lead to significant profits. Monero, XMR, is aiming to cross a key moving average. Monero is near the 50-day exponential moving average, EMA, hinting at a possible breakout attempt. The strengthening of buyer activity is confirmed by the moving average convergence divergence (MACD) indicator. The MACD line, blue, recently crossed above the signal line, orange. If this momentum continues, the altcoin's price could rise above the important resistance level of $152.25. However, a shift in market sentiment to bearish could send the token to support at $110. The CAS market is witnessing a steady capital inflow, as evidenced by the rising Chaikin money flow, which measures buying and selling pressure. Currently, CAS's money flow index stands at 68.37, confirming increased buyer activity. If the trend continues, the altcoin's price could rise to $0.144. A drop in demand, however, would trigger a correction to 12 cents. Bulls are gathering strength in Decentralized. Decentralized is trading near the upper boundary of a horizontal channel it has been in since April 8. The directional movement index readings indicate an increase in buying. The positive index exceeds the negative one. If the bulls continue to dominate, they could push Mana's price to 47 cents. However, if the bears take control, the altcoin risks falling to 41 cents. Fourth news. Decentralized exchange Velocore hacked for $10 million. The decentralized exchange Velocore, operating on the ZK Sync and Linea blockchains, was attacked, resulting in a loss of approximately $10 million. The incident was discovered by the well-known blockchain researcher Officer's Notes. Velocore reported that hackers targeted LP tokens, which are crucial for the exchange's operation. After the hack, they transferred more than 700 ETH to the Ethereum mainnet. According to Velocore's documents, the exchange underwent security audits by Zokyo, Hacken, and Scalebit. Despite this, hackers managed to exploit vulnerabilities in the platform. During the hack, the Linea blockchain temporarily halted block production. This pause lasted about an hour before operations resumed. The reasons for this failure are still unclear. The Velocore team is cooperating with security experts and has already contacted centralized exchanges to freeze the stolen assets and minimize further damage. We have identified the exploit mechanism and are setting up a negotiation process. An incident analysis article is being prepared. We are tracking the perpetrator by the traces left. There will be new updates soon. Velocore on the Telos mainnet was not affected, and we are working with the fund while functionality is frozen. In the future, we will provide recommendations for the safe withdrawal of all funds, Velocore representatives said. Community members who lost funds are demanding compensation from the exchange. However, the project has not yet discussed plans for compensation and fund recovery. This latest incident is part of a broader trend. Just a few days ago, the Japanese crypto exchange DMM reported a loss of $305 million due to a security breach. Excluding the damage from the DMM hack, the industry has lost over $473.22 million due to various exploits since the beginning of 2024. Fifth news. Where will Bonk go after a 20% drop? The popular meme coin Bonk hit a new all-time high and attempted to set another one. However, the attempt failed, causing the altcoin's price to drop sharply, significantly affecting investor confidence in its future dynamics. According to the analytics platform CoinGlass, open interest in Bonk has fallen from $24 million to $16 million in the past 48 hours. Despite the funding rate remaining positive, indicating a prevalence of long positions, this drop signals a significant loss of optimism. Nevertheless, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, remains above the neutral mark of 50.0. RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and changes of price movements on a scale from 0 to 100 and helps determine if an asset is overbought or oversold. A shift of the indicator into bullish territory is considered a positive signal. If the RSI holds at this level, Bank's price may rebound. In the near term, Bank may exhibit sideways movement due to mixed market signals. While open interest continues to decline, RSI presents a counterargument. As a result, the meme coin may be stuck in the range of $0.00003769 to $0.00003182. If Bonk breaks above the upper boundary of the range, it could head towards $0.00004000, initiating a new rally and disproving the bearish thesis.